Hello everyone, in this tutorial video we will see how to create a new segment in CRM. So first of all, direct yourself to the left hand side menu and then go to CRM. From the drop down, click on segment. And now over here we can see all the segments that have been previously created. We can also search over here. Then on the right hand side we can see an option to add a new segment. We will click on it. We will then enter a segment name. We can also provide a description over here. Then go to filters. Then we will select the super field. You have to make sure that this super field has been created previously. Then we will select the required super field. Select the condition. We have multiple options to select from. Then we will enter the value over here. And once it is done, we will then click on create segment. And now we can see that our segment has been successfully created in the CRM. Thank you so much for watching.